The Joint Action Committee, which was formed in connection with the killing of a village volunteer and against arrest of 6 other village volunteers in Salungpham, today clarified that it has not reached any agreement with government and their agitation will continue further. Speaking to media in this regard, Vice President of the JAC, Salungpham said the JAC had a talk with Thoubal SP Rakesh Balwan last night, but the meeting did not yield any positive outcome. JAC had demanded a departmental inquiry and action against accused police commandos. JAC had also urged for the release of village volunteers without any conditions. But the SP reportedly could not give any assurances on the demands of JAC. Speaking further, Salungpham said some people are spreading false information on social media platforms about reaching an agreement between JAC and SP Thoubal. However, the JAC has not achieved any development as far as demands are concerned. He added that JAC will continue its agitation until the demands are fulfilled.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯕꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯇꯝꯊꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯖꯦꯁꯤꯒ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯑꯦꯁꯄꯤꯒ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯗꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯦꯔꯥꯎꯟ 9ꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯗ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯟꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ JACꯒ SPꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯁꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯃꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯃꯣꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯤꯈꯤꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ JACꯅ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯖꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡ ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯇꯝꯊꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯠꯄꯤ ꯅꯩꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯖꯈꯤꯅꯤ